I've been testing out 4D humans for motion capture. Something I find with regular is it doesn't really well. I made a simple Python script. Well, a lot of the complicated stuff was a pain. Unfortunately, it doesn't make videos. It has to first extract frame by frame, and give it a minute. Should start filling it out. I'm going to pick a here's a frame. I didn't want to catch but what it is. And one nice thing about this method, it can somewhat track more. So I'm gonna let this bake for a little. Bake for a little bit. We'll be back. Okay, now that it's done, we went through and copied. So I'm going to open up Blender. I did make a plugin for this. First things, yeah, okay. Right. This does take a while because these won't be a mesh, but I did because it used the same mesh and just shape key for each one. What I did was assign vertex groups and hit bones. But once it loads, there should be they're a little off center, but see all these. Going to do this will take a while. So right now, Yeah, it must have changed why there's so many. Yeah. Um, could be possible aren't going. It just okay. There is copy. It works best with